Welcome to ClickMyProject. Today topic is search your career via your wish. It's based on the job searching portal. It's like a job searching and your wish to career on the project. Abstract of the project. A job search application is a tool that helps the job seeker find and apply for the job. It can be the website or desktop software. Job search application typically allow user to create the profiles, search for the jobs by keywords, location, and other criteria, and apply for the job as a resume to cover letters. Online search application have become increasingly popular in recent years as they offer as a convenient and efficient way for the job seeker to find and apply for the jobs. The project aims to develop the job search application that will provide a job seeker with comprehensively and a user-friendly platform to find the ideal jobs. The application will be allow the job seeker and create a profiles, upload their resumes, and search for the jobs by the keyword, location, and other criteria. The job seeker will be also able to receive the job alerts, save the jobs for the later, and apply for the job directly for the application in a deadline based on that. In a flow of job application, you need a user interface, check information as a login pages to open that. You have the sign up to the details will be shown the database. When you have seen the home pages, you have the register and login pages. It's a register base as a recruiter and the client side details will be stored. Then we log in with the recruiter and client dashboard. They will be have soon. It's a variant dashboard will be the in the client side and recruiter side. In the recruiter side will be the flow chart. Login page will be the open the recruiter. Will be shown the dashboard. It's your details, your company details or recruiter details will be shown, and the add job is to add the job with the details and the requirements. If they have the job listing, when you have a jobs add to list out the variants of jobs. To have a view, delete, and edit the option will be that. View option will be where apply the applicant to accept or reject the job. You have the option to call back the applicant to will be the email via and phone. They have you accept will be restore the employee pages to restore the employee pages. In a client side will be the login the client you show the dashboard. You have your details, apply job and job testing. You have your details will be have the edit or not a correct answer, and update your profile details will be shown that's part of pages. It's apply job will be to which domain will be have the apply job and filter the using the web pages. This have module to use to the filtering options and something else. And the next one the job listing. You have the apply the job. You have the status. Your accept or rejected in pages will be shown this module. In a running video, we'll type the npm start as a backend. To server as a connector and database will be connected. Then will be open the front end. We'll show the npm start to connect the template in a browser to display the home pages in the honeybee. So the job relevant pages. Page will be the load the server. It's a home page, like it's a jobs login first template. It's a register page. Register page will see in the name, username, like your name. A, B, C, then phone number, then will be the not a, it's a email ID, abc@gmail.com. Then I am an applicant, so applicant will be shown. Is your skill set in Java, Node.js, then elevator and so even education qualification will be displayed that I am studying in the ABC college. So ABC college, then started a year when you will be studying that year, then will be end of the year 2022, so it will be add. Then start the pages in another college, and start there and end here. To upload the profile pictures in yours, then upload your CV or resume in any format will be to uploaded like page or PDF. Then we register. The page will be created in the applicant pages, home pages. Then will be click the OK button to redirect the home pages. When we log in the pages, email ID and password abc@gmail.com, and the password in yours, it's something else. So when we login successfully, and redirect the home pages and the photo education oversee, then click the job profile application, and then you want to filter take the job details in a footer, name, salary, and the recruiter name, recruiter email ID, details, and applications. Then we will update and will click as previously yes, so add job update successfully will be update will be shown. Then see my application module, the front-end developer will be update of the status. The status will be update. In a recruiter will be update accepted. You show the accepted and log out. Then a recruiter pages will be shown. It's a bio of the recruiter, like a company name also. The page. Then will be the add job plus Java developer, number of vacancy, 10 experience with 4 years, deadline of application next month 13, skill set Java, part-time, full-time, and work from home. You like a full-time, immediate join as a 15 days, salary as a 1 lakh per annum, job listed at successfully. As the Java will be shown, when time will be allocated the job, experience will be the 4, vacancy of 10. You have deleted the job, deleted successfully. That's all. Thank you.